Welcome back. There are some words and phrases that we constantly keep confusing and use incorrectly, and this can make us look pretty bad as users of the language. In this video, we are going to talk about these common problems and see how they should be used correctly, where they shouldn't be used incorrectly. Hi, I'm Ajit from Capshine. Capshine is a revolutionary learn it together English fluency program. With Capshine, learning English is easy, quick, fun, affordable, and effective. And we promise a whole new you in 6 months or less. Let's look at the first pair of words that are commonly confused. Wear and put on. So when you wear something, you have clothing on your body, right? So you wear something, you wear a jacket, you're wearing it on your body. When you put something on, you place some clothing on your body. Let's see what the differences are by looking at some examples. I am going to wear my new jeans to work tomorrow. So you're going to put it on and you're going to have the clothing on your body. It's getting very sunny. I'm going to put on my hat. So this suggests that you're going to place that clothing on you, right? It's different from wear. When you wear, you slip it on. When you put it on, it's literally on top of you. Let's look at some more examples of right usage and wrong usage. Students should put on the uniform every day. Can you put on a uniform? Of course not. It's not a piece of clothing that you can put on you. You wear it, right? So you have to wear your uniform. I am trying to wear my jacket now. Well, you put on your jacket because it's a piece of clothing that you put on top of you. You don't wear it. It's not part of your core clothing. You wear it. You can take it off at any time, right? So I'm trying to put on my jacket now. What do you put on to work yesterday? You can't go to work with things that you can take off, right? You need to put main items of clothing on you. So what did you wear to work yesterday? So wear for things that are integral, like your shirt, your pants. Put on for accessory items like your hat, cap, glasses, or anything else. Before we go to the next set of words, a quick word about Capshine. With Capshine, you get access to speaking opportunities, you learn and practice as a group, you get access to a personal coach, a monthly fluency tracker, and customized feedback. Of course, you get access to daily micro lessons and live classes through which you can build your foundations and become a more competent user of the language. I'll talk about it in the end. Do stay tuned. Alright, coming back to words that are commonly confused. Steal versus rob. People often use steal and rob interchangeably. This is incorrect. Steal is to take something illegally, but you're not taking it by force. You're not taking it from a person. You're taking it from a person without their knowledge, perhaps, but you're not essentially forcing it out of them. When you rob something, you're illegally taking something from a person or location, usually by force. So you call someone a robber when they take it by force. Let's look at some examples. Someone stole my car. So they didn't really take it from you in gunpoint. They stole it from you when you were not looking. You were not aware of it when it went missing. They stole your car. 3 people robbed the community bank yesterday. So they probably went in with guns and forced the people to give them their money. So when you force someone to give money or things to you, then you are robbing them, right? That's the difference. Let's look at some examples and see why the wrong usages are wrong and what the correct usage is. My friend got stolen yesterday. Well, your friend cannot get stolen, right? Obviously. He probably got robbed, which means that someone took something from him by force. The thief was trying to rob something from the house. So here the thief is not trying to take something by force. He is trying to take something illegally without other people's knowledge. So he was trying to steal. The pickpocketer robbed from 5 people. So if you're a pickpocket, you're usually very sly, you're very stealthy. You take or steal without the other person's knowledge. So you don't rob them, you steal, or he stole from them. That's the difference. Rob is to take by force, steal is to take illegally, but without force, in a sly or stealthy way. Great. Let's continue. Make versus do. When you make something, you create something. When you do, you perform an action. For example, she is going to make lunch for the guests. You cannot say she is going to do lunch, right? Because doing is an action in itself. I will do all my homework at night. So here this makes sense. Let's look at some examples. Can we do some plans for the weekend? Of course, we can't do plans. We can make plans, however. We can create these plans. So we make plans. Are you doing a PPT? You can't do a PPT, you create a PPT. Therefore, you're making a PPT. Now he is going to make some magic for us. You can't make magic, you do magic, right? Now he is going to do some magic for us. So when you make, you create it. When you do an action. Let's test what we've learned so far. You can pause the video if you want to take some time. Read the sentence and let's figure out which is the right one. What should I blank to the party? Should I say wear or put on? Am I talking about accessories or am I talking about integral parts of my clothing? It's obviously the second. So what should I wear to the party? It's impossible to dash the art gallery. Will you rob the art gallery or steal the art gallery? You can't steal the gallery itself. You can steal a piece of art, but you can't steal the gallery. You can rob the gallery, however. And of course, excuse me, I just want to blank a call right now. Do you make a call or do you do a call? You of course make a call. You don't do a call, right? Great, I hope you found this informative. You can stop making these errors now that you know the rules behind them. If you like the video, make sure you like and subscribe. Hit the bell notification to not miss a video from us about English concepts and conversational skills. Do check out your 30-day free trial by going to capshine.com or downloading the app from the Play Store. Thanks for watching.